So for those that don't know, I own a restaurant. You good, you good. Go ahead, cowboy. There you go, there you go. There you go. I'm sorry, no, you good, you good. Hey, no, hey, just do your thing. Do your thing. Thank you, though. And we had a little outage. But in the meantime, let me show you something. I'm at 38%, and guess what? The Cybertruck is running the food truck. You don't believe me? Hey, Marquise. What is the food truck running off of?
The Cybertruck, baby!
Yes, yes. Thank you, Marquise. And you heard it. With 38%, the Cybertruck can power a food truck. And it's pulling 2.5 kilowatts. Come on. I can't make it up. Y'all know I show you live. I like to show you live so you know. Oh man. Hey, believe what you want to believe. That's on you. All right, I had to step out because it's been 4 hours from 3 p.m. and it's 7, a little bit after 7. And I want to see what percentage we at now. I've been running a food truck with my Cybertruck at 40% when I started. And let's see where we at 4 hours later. Marquise, I think I'm gonna get like 5 wings with the boom boom 5 wings.
5 boom boom wings?
And then the rice with no cheese in it.
Okay.
I appreciate you.
Yep.
All right, let's see where we at.
You want breaded wings or regular wings?
Breaded, extra crispy.
Okay.
Yeah, thank you, Marquise. All right, still running it.
You want the sauce on the side or you want to toss it?
You can toss them in it with ranch on the side.
All right.
Thank you. Let's see where we at. Started with 40%. And we are now at 33%, starting at 40%. And it is 7:20 and we started at 3. So that just goes to show. That goes to show. You take it how you want to take it. You math it how you want to math it. And do what you will with it, is what I'll say. Do what you will with it, with that information. All right. Until the next one, I'll see y'all soon.